Well, guess what, guys? Turns out I was being stupid the entire time. I was supposed to put the bracket on the motherboard before inserting it, so I guess I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, I noticed the cases turned differently. I use the other board as a kind of test unit to try different ways to how it would fit in. I mean, I'm not really worried about the other board breaking because it was broken anyway, so. Alright, get this in. Yeah, that last part, me struggling to get this in, that was just me being stupid, so. I'll go ahead and admit that right. Alright. Make sure. In place. Alright, it's safe to put the screw in, if I can find it. There it is. It's lined up. Alright, that works. Dang it. Yeah, I literally just sat here for like 10 to 15 minutes struggling to get this thing in, only to realize this is how it goes in. Alright, so we got that over with finally. That was pure. I can't even say the word. But I guess let's get this started. Start installing all the components in it. Alright, first of all, get the drives in. Hopefully I won't regret doing this again. Alright, nice and tight. Floppy drive is in. The video card. Oh yeah, wrong slot. Screwdriver. There it is. Hopefully I do not break this motherboard in the process of trying to figure out where in the heck, how the heck to get it in. Hopefully I didn't break it. I shouldn't have. I wasn't being too rough with it. That out. By the way, guys, this is an NVIDIA Riva TNT card. Get that in. Oh wait, that was in the way. Little RAM clips. Whoops. I'm not terrible at this, guys, by the way. I just haven't done this in a while. So, I'm quite a bit rusty. Is that in? Yes, but why the heck won't the screw go down? I guess that's how it's supposed to do. I don't know. Get this. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Now it's in place. Sound Blaster PCI. I'm not sure which card is bad. I'm trying to get my Dream Blaster S2 to work, and I'm just gonna keep both cards in there until I figure out which one is the bad one. I'm not quite sure if it's going in properly because Oh. Wrong screw, my bad. I'm an idiot. There it is. Make sure it's... You guys probably can't see this, but I really can't help it. There's not very good lighting in this garage. What the heck? This is not going in. It's like something's not lining properly. Trying to find out. This isn't what I thought it was. This is not fitting like it should be. In fact, it's not fitting at all. Maybe try this slot instead. I don't understand. It is not doing what it's supposed to. Perhaps I missed a step. Well, it's clipped in there nicely. Dang, I got it clipped in there real good. It's not coming out now. I don't understand what the heck the issue with this case is. It is not working correctly. Or at least not how it should. Had to deal with this again. Hoping I'm not breaking this board. Maybe I was supposed to install the add-on cards first, perhaps? I don't know. But I know this is blocking it somehow. So I guess I'll do the add-on cards first. Yeah, I knew that wasn't fitting in. There we go. That's in. That one's in. And Vibra 16. Whoops. Vibra 16. I'm really trying not to damage this board, guys. I guess I do have. This is really challenging, you guys. Alright, those fitting in? Yes, they are. I think we are a go. All that's left is I gotta put that screw in. Oh, hold up with my chin. Something is not right, because I guess I'll just have to ignore it. I guess it is going good. Alright. This is in. Video card. Sound Blaster PCI. By the way, once I get this all hooked up and stuff, it is most likely not going to do anything. Actually, I can guarantee it won't do anything because there's no CPU, but I'm hoping I can get at least some sort of life out of it. Or at least some sign of life is what I meant. Whew. You can see me, I'm dripping sweat. Hot. Where is the correct screw? Nope. No. There it is. Last screw. That is in. Time to put the drives in. Where is it? Back here. Make sure. Yes. Alright, now I gotta pull these through. These wires for the PC speaker and stuff. Sorry, I'm being real quiet, trying to get this out as quick as possible. Alright, now I just have to see. Oh, this thing has USB 2.0 support. What? Alright, let's see. Power LED. I don't see any plugs for this. That's the floppy drive. Power LED, there it is. Find that correctly. No, I don't think I did that, but good. Reset switch goes right there. Yes. Is in power switch. Goes right here. Oh, what's this one? Hard drive LED. I think that's where that goes. Alright, what's the last one? What about PC speaker? Where does that one go? Oh, there's like a small protector on that one. I guess I'm gonna have to get those two out. I'm gonna have to get all of them out to get to. Yeah, there was a weird plug on that one. That is it. That one's in. Power LED. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Whoops. Reset. Right there. A whole mess of wires right here. Little ones too. This one is power switch. That we can go right in there if I can get enough light to see it. You don't know how hard this is with no light. Well, there is light in here. Not very fun to do with this little of light. You need some good light to see this. Power LED goes, well actually I might want to do this one. Hard drive LED. Alright, I see where power LED goes. I'll go ahead and get that in. I think I might have. Yeah, that one's. Yeah.
Hey, there's chicken.
Alright, I'll be in there in a bit. Come on. Almost in. There we go. Now, the power. The hard drive LED, I mean. Fit. If I can see. There we go. There was one more, the PC speaker. Oh wait, that one's already hooked up. Alright, time to get the hard drive in. First I need to grab the ribbon cable. I don't know what this was for, but I don't know. There's two ribbon cables. I know one is for, one has got to be for the DVD drive and one's got to, CD drive. One's got to be for the floppy drive. I think this might be floppy drive. Where is that? Where is it? Boom, boom, boom. Rubber band off. I'm just gonna finish this up in a bit and just pray that I did not damage this board in the process of getting it in, because that I'm hoping I did not damage that. But otherwise, I'm gonna have to mow the lawn a couple times before I can get a new one. Then even then, I'm gonna have to wait like a week for another one. It's got a nice little tag on it. Huh. Is this the right one? This is definitely not the floppy cable. It's too big to be a floppy cable. I think that is the hard drive cable, actually. I don't understand those. How about I get the power hooked up? No, that one. No, the blue one's for the DVD drive. I can tell the way it's big and it's got two pins missing. It's got two pieces missing from it. There we go. I like how clean looking it is too. Nice. I believe that one plugs in right here. Or actually, hold on, let me read the labels on these. I don't think it matters. Sorry, I'm being real silent, trying to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong. I think I got that in. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hard drive plugged in. Curious. I think that's where the hard drive plugs in. Oh yeah, here's the hard drive, Quantum Fireball, 6.4 gigabytes. I'll get power for this one. I think that power goes to the floppy drive. So I'll leave that. Alright, hard drive is in, just gotta put the screws in. I think I just lost a screw. I'll look for it later. One screw, and that's still. Frankly, I'm not sure how well I got the wiring done. I'll just have to wait till I get the Athlon to see, because of course it's not gonna do anything without a CPU. I don't even think the hard drive can start up without it. And of course, if I try to use the Pentium 2, it's supposedly gonna fry the motherboard, and that's the last thing I want. I think this one goes right here. Yeah, I can tell this one's smaller. I think this is the floppy cable. Yeah, I think this one is floppy cable. I think I might use the wrong end. Whoops. My bad. This can go right here. All right. Alright. And get the floppy cable in. Clicked into place. Find the main plug. Like I said, I highly doubt it's gonna do anything. Oh, I've got the RAM. Can't forget that. Wrong way. I probably should read the manual. I think... No, this is the right type of RAM. That side is in. That should be good. All systems go. I know it's not going to do anything, obviously. Maybe the hard drive might, but... Sure. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in and just see what happens. Oh, the hard drive powered up. Nice, it's doing... It works. You guys, it works. It works. Let me show you. You can see there's no power LEDs or anything. The hard drive appears to be working nicely, though. Let me show you. Alright, unplug that. I know the floppy drive's working. The floppy drive wasn't working before on the other board. Maybe that part of the board was messed up too. Plug it in. Hard drive LED kicked in. So I definitely know the hard drive's working. I know nothing else is gonna work. Floppy drive is currently working. Yeah, it looks like mission success. So, hold on.